Okay.
Got ready.
Okay.
My turn. Annika, get out of the picture.
No.
Annika, you can't go past it.
Who's that?
It's Flat Stanley. Look at him.
No, put him like this. Very nice.
Watch my dance, ballerina dance. Watch Puppy now. But
You want to dance with Flat Stanley?
You want his face facing?
No.
Mom, watch my beautiful dance. Hey, Twilight.
Watch Flat Stanley ain't done. Flat Stanley ain't done.
Hey, Annika, do you want to jump off the stairs?
Sure, then I can do the ballerina.
Uh-huh.
I can do it on. Wait, I can do it on.
Do it on 2.
No, I'm gonna do it on 3. I'm doing.
Yeah, do it on 2. Yay.
Mom, I opened up a book.
Which one?
It's a menu book. Once upon a time, there was an old man who went outside to play. He went outside and got eaten by a mouse.
Annika.
Stop!
Okay.